This was from last year. It did not make it.
It takes time. It takes time.
Hi guys. It's actually a lot later in the day now. I've been sleeping about 20 hours of the day every day since Wednesday. So long story short, so on Wednesday I actually had what ended up being just a diagnostic operation, because I've just always had like really bad symptoms anytime I have my period, for the entirety of the time that I've always had periods. So they were checking for endometriosis, which I don't have, but they did find that I had adenomyosis, so it kind of explains my symptoms. I had to go under general anesthetic, and yeah, I've just been super kind of lethargic ever since. I'm still a bit sore. I can't really like bend over or like carry heavy things. All my gains for Ghana are going to be gone by the time I go, because I can't go to the gym, otherwise I might get a hernia, which is not fun, and it's not the plan, so I'm not gonna force it. If you see me with a flat bum in all of my bikini pictures this year, don't comment at me, okay? In the name of health, it has to be done. I'm just thankful for my life, and I'm thankful for good health. Today I'm feeling a lot better, just still sleepy, but trying to go out tomorrow. Like, I want to go outside, I want to go for a walk, I want to film, I want to do content for you guys, get a bit more into the Christmassy spirit. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing good, and let's get straight into the video. Welcome to Winter Wonderland. So we've just had a look around. They literally have like no white baubles anywhere. There's like a Matalan in the same retail park. Let's quickly go head there and see what they've got. Round 2. That's kind of tacky, I don't know. Come on, babes. Come on. File trip number 2. Just come. Shakir's so shy when he comes in the vlog.
Don't say that.
You're not yourself.
Paparazzi.
Paparazzi, please, no. Yeah, let's just go home and watch film, and then I'll look for some little bauble bits online and call it a night. I didn't really show you guys my car that well before. I just didn't want to get the number plate in it, but let me show you. It's kind of dark, but this is what she looks like. She's real cute, whatever. Got my little P on the front. I'm literally going to keep it on for a year. Welcome! Nando's. Yeah, there's a thingy here as well. Welcome to Camo. Fingers crossed. Although, to be honest, I'm not even that optimistic, because it's literally the 3rd of December. 4th is the 4th. No, it's the 3rd. Someone's opened this egg and started eating it. Ew. This tree's nice. I just want decorations for my tree. It's gonna be so bad if I don't find anything today. Come, let's go. Jazz over. We should have got this bed frame, babes. Come on. Come on.
Looks dirty. I came close and it looked too dirty.
Ooh, I'm not sure about that one, love.
Yeah, maybe not.
Try before you buy. Look.
I'm actually good. File trip number 3. Let's go. It's B&Q. They do. B&Q have that kind of stuff.
No.
I bought our Christmas tree.
Then I have that.
Then I have that. I've got these compression socks. Yeah, I'm not gonna not tell them. Okay, good. If you want to stay with me, I need to see your face.
Do you guys have Chick-fil-A there?
No. We have Popeyes. You pick up from fast food places.
Cook and eat at home. And did I feed the chickens?
Oh my god. How can you be contemplating whether you fed your animals?
Loves me, can't you? Look at her.
Cute.
Pretty girl.
Oh my gosh. She doesn't. It's like 11 right now and I haven't eaten. I'm starving. I was up until 11 last night filming content, and then I was up until 2 taking my crochet locks out. I've loved that style. I've really enjoyed it. I was ready to switch it up. I was ready to look cute for the last few weeks before Christmas. And then this morning I've washed my hair, detangled my hair, conditioned my hair. Yeah, and it's like 11:20 now, so I'm about to eat my first meal of the day. So I'm just gonna make these Vietnamese spring rolls because I want something savory, but I don't want toast and I don't want cereal. I want something warm, so I'm about to pop that in right now. Now, you may be wondering what possessed me to take my hair out so early in the morning. But the reason for it was because I actually spent the whole of one of my weekend days trying to find, well, I say the whole, not the whole day. I spent a lot of the day trying to find someone that could do a curly cut for me. I don't know how many times I've said this in my hair tutorials, but I seriously need a haircut, guys. Like, so the integrity of my hair is pretty good, but when I say my ends are crying, like I must have researched into about 25 salons and nobody had availability. There's this one that I really want to try called the Cacao. I think it's by Nia the Light. She's a hair influencer on this space as well, but yeah, she doesn't have availability until like middle of February 2022. Luckily, a hairdresser that I got in contact with got back to me via email and was like, yeah, I've got a last minute cancellation, do you want to come through? So yeah, I'm gonna dry my hair, and then drive to the hairdresser. This is gonna be my first kind of long-ish journey. It's gonna take me half an hour to get there. So yeah, I'm gonna leave an hour before just to give myself enough time, enough grace period, and to find parking too. So I'm just eating my dinner. This is the gochujang kind of mince Italian fusion food that I made earlier in the week. And I'm actually gonna put up my first Christmas tree ever today. The tree came ages ago, but I was waiting for baubles for like almost 2 weeks. I think I was searching for baubles for like a week. And then I found one. The order got cancelled. So then I had to find another one. And then that took like a week and a half to come. They finally arrived. They were well worth the wait. They're very, very pretty. So I thought it would be fun to put that up with you guys today.